Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Tuesday to each and every one of you. This is my Avid video for April 21st. Today is Tuesday. My good things for today are going for drives with my family, staying happy and healthy, cooking, and barbecuing. Those are my good things for today. Some good things I took from yesterday's assignment or attendance sheet. Actually, this first one is not a good thing. Maya Smith, 7th grader, period 3 Avid, is moving away, probably not coming back to Orchard next year. So, shedding a tear for you, Maya. You'll be missed. Good things. Family. Family drives, FaceTimes with family, pools. Although I don't really know if you should be swimming at this time if there are other people around, right? Our community pool where I live has been drained. I don't know about that. Maybe look into the safety of that. Lots of food, tater tots, cereal, chicken butt. I didn't know you could eat the butt of a chicken. Iced coffee, pizza. Shaving your brother bald, Netflix, Disney Plus, we love those at our house too, and new phones. Congratulations if you got a new phone. All right, should be a short video today, but I do have a few things to show you and talk to you about and one assignment to give you. We've concluded good things. You should have submitted your slant video from last week, last Friday, on Google Classroom. If you haven't done that yet, please do so. A lot of people have lost points for not completing that assignment. I have looked at half of them. I've looked at the 8th grade ones. And a lot of you didn't do it in 8th grade. So get that done. And remember I said that I would take the best ones and put them on my haiku page. Well, I've done that. Like I said, I've only looked at the 8th grade ones. I'll look at the 7th grade ones today, and I might add to this, but I've put up one video that I thought was good and funny. It's from Solomon Wang, so good job, Solomon. If you want to watch his video, go to my haiku page and you can watch that. I'm not going to show it right now. But get those done if you haven't yet done them. The other thing I want you to do early this week is come up with one point of confusion. Note here, I am not asking you to fill out a TRF form. I'm not even necessarily asking you to write anything down. But I want you to identify one academic issue or problem that you're having. Identify it and define it very clearly as if you were doing a TRF. And then by Thursday, I want you to have a POC solution, right? Sometimes the most difficult part of solving a problem is identifying exactly what that problem is. So that's your task for today and perhaps tomorrow. Identifying an academic problem that you're having. Once you've identified it, I would assume you're going to take steps to solving that, right? So this is kind of an alternative way of doing tutorials. Identifying a problem you're having in a class and then taking steps to solve it. I will have you writing a bit like a short paragraph later this week. I'll assign that on Thursday. You know, what your POC was and how you solved it. But for right now, just identify one academic stumbling point you're having. One thing that could be a POC if this were more regular times. All right, that is it. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.